here we are. Locke said the keystone would be just up ahead.
It is. I can sense it.
Oh, good. She can sense it.
Lay off. Maybe she can. Yeah, I can use this.
Good night. I could steal the eyeliner off your eyes. People just don't pay attention. Now you see the guard, and now you don't. Don't mind if I do. So, how will these keystones help us find the tower?
They do not find the tower. They open the way. 4 corners make a door.
Save it for later, darling. We've a job to do.
Come on, go check it out. You know you wanna.
Someone's about.
Nap time.
Investigating a disturbance.
Another card. To work then. A souvenir. Not bad. I'll take it. What do we have here?
There! That is the keystone.
Wow, it's hot!
Get back! Mummies, are you kidding me?
Hey, over here! This can't be happening! This cannot be happening!
I will free you from the burden of choice.
Can't be mummies. Mummies don't walk around.
What the hell is this?
here to play games.
So, and I really hate to say this, but those were walking, fire-breathing mummies, right?
That's what I saw. Ain't gonna be pretty, but I can patch you up.
Time for some payback.
You're going through.
No companionship like that of the battlefield, huh? The physical pain is passing.
I am not used to compassion in my line of work.
That'll be so tomorrow.
Come on, y'all. Say, what's that over there? Let's make tracks.
Stay put.
Keep an eye out.
You break easily.
What's that?
Let's part ways. going somewhere?
Still your mind. Let me in.
Come on out now!
No hard feelings.
Keep them on the back foot.
Took you long enough. Come on, let's go. Age before beauty.
Let me hold on to this.
It is done. The keystone is ours.
And yet, I have more questions than ever.
For once, I'm with you, kid. Let's go. I got a bone to pick with that old man.
Could be the breakthrough we've been waiting for. You have it? You have the keystone?
Yes. It was right next to the coffins full of walking, fire-breathing mummies.
Well, the fire-breathing is a surprise. And Strum managed it even before leashing the Bright Storm to his will. You see now how critical it is we stop him and the rest of the Banished Court.
Ain't no we. You're on your own. We're out. Right, y'all?
Are you joking? This proves Locke isn't crazy. I'm in this until the end now.
Fine. What about you, Slugger?
I've got plans, Mr. Sawyer. Plans that hinge on the sun rising tomorrow. How am I going to spend my money if there's no world left to spend it in?
Well, I ain't getting conscripted into another war.
You're free to walk, of course. But the court knows your name and your face. You've seen firsthand the strength they command. No, you're in this till the end, Mr. Sawyer. Either the court's or your own. All that remains is for you to decide which one.
Sawyer, you might be interested to know that this island is protected. Wards, formulas, stuff I've never even heard of. No safer place in the world than right here.
Damn it.
Well then, while Mr. Sawyer makes up his mind, the rest of us have work to do.
Finding the tower.
Yes, we'll need 3 more keystones in order to enter it. They're rare, but they are out there. The tower sheds them when it travels. While we search the globe for the keystones, the mission is the same as it was. Sabotage. Harry the court at every turn. They cannot safely wield the Bright Storm on a global scale if all their preparations lie in ruins. In the meantime, I will study this keystone. I believe it can help us defeat the court once and for all.
One more thing. I do still expect to be paid.
Never fear, Miss Erickson. I know exactly who I'm dealing with. And try not to look so glum. You're all gonna help me save the world.
Well, Mrs. Sawyer, have you made up your mind?
As far as I can see, it was made for me. I'm just trying to figure out what you two are seeing that I ain't.
I see opportunity. A chance to learn how the world really works. To see things almost no one has seen before. And if we actually pull this off, then the Gentleman Jin would be the guy who saved the world.
You won't care about any of that when you're dead.
Everyone dies, Sawyer. I'm going to live first.
Well, have fun playing hero. I'm out of here first chance I get.
Come on, Ace. Play the hand you're dealt.
Oh, I will. Reckon Locke wasn't lying about my chances out there. I just gotta bide my time here in the Looney Bin League until I can change my luck.
Do what you want. But until you leave, I expect you to keep having our backs.
Sure thing, Slugger. Y'all be lying real still in a Marseille morgue if it weren't for me.
You think you saved us? That's the wackiest thing I've heard all day. And I just agreed to help protect a magic tower from a sea witch, an American, and a German with fire-breathing mummies.
When you put it that way, we ought to get to it. If I've learned one thing in this wretched little world, it's this. If you want it done right, you have to do it yourself.
Are you in need?
Always fair prices here, but you know that.